In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reposition elements on a card page. If you've ever wanted to tidy up a layout, move a button higher on the page, or line up text and images more cleanly, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it inside Card without getting lost in the editor. Start by heading to card.so and signing into your account. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard where all your sites are listed. Find the site you want to update and click the pencil icon to open it in the builder. That pencil icon is Card's shortcut for Edit, and it takes you straight into the canvas where everything on your page can be adjusted. Inside the builder, hover over the element you want to move. This could be a text block, image, button, or icon. Click and hold it, then drag it to the spot where you want it to appear. As you move it, you'll notice Card provides visual hints and alignment guides to help you line things up. Release your mouse to drop the element into place. If it feels a bit jumpy, move slowly and let the snap guides do the work. If the element sits inside a container or a column, keep in mind it will stay within that container's boundaries, so position it relative to the other items inside that space. A few tips as you drag things around. Aim for consistent spacing to keep your layout clean, and try to align edges so groups of elements look intentional. If an element isn't quite landing where you expect, drag it slightly past your target and then nudge it back into alignment. Zooming in can help with precision, and taking a moment to compare positions across sections will keep your design consistent. Also remember that elements can appear differently on smaller screens, so it's worth keeping mobile layouts in mind as you place items. When you're happy with the arrangement, it's time to make your changes live. Publish your site to save the changes made. Publishing updates your live site with the new positions, so give everything one last look before you confirm. After publishing, open the site in a new tab and scroll through to make sure everything appears exactly where you want it. If you spot anything slightly off, hop back into the builder, drag the element again, and publish once more. That's all it takes. Open your site, drag elements into place, and publish to lock in the changes. With a few careful moves, your card page will look cleaner, clearer, and more professional.